Hey y'all, come on in. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cut a butternut squash. You need a knife, ice cream scoop, and a vegetable peeler. Let's get started. I like to start by cutting the ends off. Next, I take my vegetable peeler and get all the hard skin off. So usually a butternut squash has the longer skinny part and then a round part here at the bottom. This round part at the bottom has seeds in it. So I usually cut it right where the long skinny part meets the bottom. Now I set this long skinny part to the side for a second, cut my seed part in half. So we're gonna take our ice cream scoop and scoop out the seeds. This is gonna leave a hollow cavity inside. We're gonna first start by cutting the long end into cubes. So I do slices. The slices are about 1 inch thick, maybe less. Then I stack them. Rotate the stack. We're gonna have cubes. This is the perfect size for roasting butternut squash. All right, so how do we cut this piece? I usually do it in wedges. I turn my wedges to the side, and I make about the same size cubes I was with the other section. The interesting thing about butternut squash, it gets sap. I don't know if there's another word for it, but it leaves this layer on your hand, and so your hand kind of turns orange. When you go to wash your hands, it will feel like you're trying to get peeled skin off. It's a real interesting feeling on your hand, and it sometimes takes a few washes to get it off.